Hi, hi everyone. Welcome to this another video in Market Talk YouTube channel. So this is a video I'm doing here to do the backtesting of the financial research dashboard. So I take into consideration all the data rules, whatever is there, which is applicable, and made the maximum calculation to the extent possible, and try to do backtesting. And this is done after a lot of research and hard work on this. And definitely for the traders, it's going to be big helpful actually for you. Definitely taking a trade based on this view is technical skills definitely, and astrology will not tell you which strike price you have to select, whether you have to buy a call, whether you buy a put, which strike price. That will not happen, but at least view you will get. For example, today when I click today, okay, the view for 5th August is coming positive. So you have seen the market has been closing in positive. Even the small 16 points also able to capture also. Sometimes it happens like we are not able to capture, but today it does like happened actually. Maybe getting sometimes some people might tell you that it's a volatile day, all these things, but overall how the market will close very important. So this is the consideration I have taken. So I've done the back testing here of almost starting from 2012 January 2nd January till date 5th August. I have taken the calculation, and the back testing, what is the rule includes is I'll tell you how it is being done. So for any day, the rules are given here, all the rules are given here, and everybody, every rule is given some weightage also actually, and certain aspects are coming from this. There's a lot of rules are here actually, a lot of rules are plugged into this, and then everything is calculated in just less than 2 seconds, maybe 1 or 2 seconds only it takes, and then you get the calculation here total, and then positive how much, then negative how much you are getting here, and then whichever is dominating. When positive is dominating, the market is going to be positive, and negative is dominating, it is going to be negative. So this is the way the calculation is done. So from this, what are the calculation? We are getting the view, and then the calculation happens. So the par candle is on actual basis. Whenever the day is completed, you need to update the open, high, low, close. You will get the candle. It's not that you will get the candle every day. For next day means if you see for Monday, it is positive. Again, it's positive here. And then you can see the positive is 275 points, negative is 55 points only. So it looks like definitely the chance of any gap down or something also is there. The market will bounce back. That's the way how you have to read actually. So in case of backtest, all the days are given here. Total almost 2619 trading days are available here. Total 2619 trading days are there. 2618 trading days. Out of this, the total success rate is 91.7%. So how it is being done, I will tell you. Success means when the view is positive, we close in positive is the success, 100% success. Intraday success means the view is positive, we open like on the gap up, we open in the positive, and then we go in negative zone. Okay, then it is the intraday success. Or the view is negative, we gap down, or after that we do gap down and then go in positive zone. So this happens 26% of time. This is a time where you can make good money actually. Okay, because the market goes against the view, and sometimes what happens here, the market opens against the view and closes in the view as per the view. Then also is making good money possible in this time. And minor fail. Whenever the Banknifty closes 200 points against the view, in case of Nifty 100 points against the view, then it becomes a minor fail, because 0.5% plus or minus is possible here. That also taken into consideration, which is this one. And major fail is more than 200 points against the view. For example, today is a positive view. The market closed in negative 300 points. Then becomes a major fail, and not giving any chance for any near 200 points range also from the previous close. Then it is a major fail. So this is how it is categorized here. So for consideration of this, I am taking here the success, 100% success rate, and then intraday success rate, whatever is there. So the total it comes to around 85.1%, and minor fail also considering it is a 91% here. Okay, so if you want to consider both, you can consider both also. And we are going to do the back testing of this here, and we'll any dates, whatever is there, we'll try to, you can any like a subscribe, whoever is live can tell any date, we'll try to do the back testing of this also. So for this, I've taken these 2 dates, starting ending date, and I put a random date between these 2 ranges. If I press F9, then the dates will change here automatically. When randomly the system will generate some dates here, and then the result for a particular day we will get from this backtest result actually. This is the backtest result. So this one summary of this is available here. Total 100 trading days I have taken for this consideration. Total 100 days is the randomly you will change. You can see the changes happening here randomly, and then out of total 2,600 trading days, 2,618 trading days, we are getting the backtesting to be done. Now total, if you see here, calculation is done automatically, and then you get the result here. Major fail is for very important, because when the market closes against the view more than 200 points, how many days it happens is very important. That's the reason I highlighted here. And let me take some sample day here. Press F9 here. You can see here 10% failure, and then here 3% failure only. Others are successful actually. And then if you go to, because when you take a overnight position based on the view, then if it is major fail, then it's a problem against the view. Okay, which is happening only less than 5% in this case. In this random number of days, you can see only 4%, 11%, 12%. Let us take some example now in this case here. We are randomly now check 31st Jan 2020, both are success. Let us see here 31st Jan 2020, 31st Jan 2020. When I type here, you will get the view. Okay, so what's happening here is 31st Jan 2020 is negative here, and here, oh, it has gone here. Okay, I think 31st Jan 2020. Let me just check here 31st Jan 2020. 31st Jan 2020, you'll be able to see here. Oh, it is shown success, but some minor changes there. Okay, possible that after that the rules have changed possibly. So, but it's success actually, but it's a success here in Nifty and minor fail here. So, minor fail in case of Banknifty. Let us take some other day here randomly. Now we'll see here success. Where is that? Okay, 21st June 2012. Let us take 21st June 2012 here. 21st June 2012. Let us see here success. Okay, so it's positive. We close in positive. Okay, so this way we are seeing this. Now let us take some major fail. What happened here? Let us say major fail one day, and in case of Nifty, we'll see like 11th April 2022. 11th April 2022. So we'll see here what is the major fail here. If you see, okay, it is positive, but it is closed in more than 100 points. I told you it is positive, but the view. But here, if you see here, there is a gap down here, 40 points. After that, if you see here, I'm not even considering the intraday actually. The intraday, if I consider it is a minor fail only. It's not a major fail also. And if you see, closing was 109 points here, negative. So I'm considering it as a major fail here. If I consider the intraday high, if you see here, just it is a minor fail. It's only 5 points. After opening here 17,741, we made high almost just 5 points below the previous day close, and we had a chance to exit. If you are in positions of a overnight position you are held, it is a minor loss only. So minor fail comes here only. It's not major fail actually speaking. And anybody viewers currently who are seeing the video now can tell any date. We'll try to do the backtesting also if you want. Now we'll take one more day here. Major fail here 19th May 2016 for 19th May 2016. 19th May 2016. Major fail for Banknifty. So here, if you see here, it is 200 points is mentioned here, but it is actually it is a minor fail, and it is not major fail also. If you see here, 729, and here if you open, we saw here just 4 points only. We opened just 4 points only, and then high we made here 73 points only, and closing 164 points. So that way, if you see here, if you've taken a position based on this view, and definitely you will not get big loss just because it is only 5 points. Any position you take based on the overnight position based on the view, the success rate will be almost 90%. That's what the case is indicating. After that, if you see the market kept on going downside here after the gap up here 4 points, and then kept on going down to make a low of almost 17,536 and close in 16,536 and close 16,565. Okay, now we will do some more testing, and then if you see, let us see the in this case this set of numbers. You can see 10% major fail, otherwise it's success 50 plus intraday 32%. And let us take success ratio, where success both 4th October 2017. 4th October 2017. So both are positive. Even 10 points we are able to capture. If you see here, it is like 103, 124, and then 55. So this is done has come very nicely actually. So definitely. Okay, 20th May 2019. One viewer is asking for 20th May 2019. 20th May 2019. Okay, so we use positive and we close in positive. Okay, so anybody in the viewers can ask for any dates, then we'll try to test that also, because you can see here all the coming for rules. Okay, you may think that no, this is done something like no, manually or something like that. It's not. If you see here, just click here, go positive. I'll show testing of this, how it is coming. If you see the rule here, it is coming from this 360 point, 170 points, and then we are getting here 360 points. This also, if you see, formula is there. For everything is driven by formula, no manual testing. Okay, if you see here positive means it take this positive 170 degree will take here. From this one calculation coming from SBC chart, SBC rules you are getting here. And then this is for elements rule is coming here. And then the matrix data, these all the rules are coming one by one here. Everything is coming automatically here. Now let us ask for some other date. Somebody asking for 2nd February 2018. 2nd February 2018. So negative, it was a negative. The view was negative. So if you want, many people join and ask any raise the doubts, any dates, then that will be great actually. So that you can take any dates between 2nd January 2012 till 5th August 2022. Any date you just say, and then we'll see 18th May 2020. Okay, the one thing is F9, say 2020. 19 something is there, any date? We'll say 2017, 19th May. No. Let us take here 19th May 2017, success for Bank Nifty, intraday success for Nifty. 19th May 2017. 19th May 2017. So positive here, if you see it is positive, 71 points was there, negative. It's just 2 points minus, it was. Just 2 points minus. On the gap up, if you see here, actually speaking, if you see gap up, it becomes intraday success actually. That way, I'll just find, maybe like I need to fine tune this. If I do fine tuning, then the chance of major fail will come very, very less actually. If I take this. If I take this based on the view, taking the overhead position, definitely the chance of making money is very good actually. Okay, so maybe you can, for a trader, this will give a very good idea like what will be the next coming days the view. So whether you want to take overhead position of a call option or put option, you'll be able to know. Okay, see this again, I'll tell you, this is a financial astrology dashboard which I developed based on the rules. So what happens, this is a financial astrology, is a astrology study based on the financial markets where you will be able to predict the instruments, any instrument. Here we are trying to predict here for Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is for Bank Nifty and Nifty. The view is available here. Automatically is coming based on the rules. So the rules based on which completely the dashboard is built. So to do all the calculation for rules for this, it will take several hours for you for doing 1 day calculation. Now in this case, it is coming everything in just a second here. If I just say 1st July 2022. So when type a date here, automatically you will get a view here. What is the view and what is the actually for any past day you will get the candle. For the future day you will not get a candle. Okay, so don't think that I'll be able to predict the candle also. That is not possible because the planetary positions we can see what is the view, whether planets are in the positive zone, negative zone, that we'll be able to see. Okay, so if you see here the last this current month actually, if you see the current month, the starting from 1st or let us see 20th June, starting from 30th June here, if you see a total almost 27 trading days, we can see only 2 major fails and everything was successful. Okay, that is really like I myself could not believe about this. A lot of rules have been fine-tuned over a period of almost 2.5 years to 3 years actually. Now let us see here next day, 1st July. The negative was there. Okay, this is failure here. This is a major fail. What we saw here, the backtest if you see here, and on the what day? The day is 4th July. 4th July, you can see it is a major fail. 4th July is major fail. Intraday success was there. So if you see here, what happens here? There is a gap up actually. Previous close gap up was there. Then only we came down here. Okay, opening was 33,559 previous close, and then we closed in negative, and we closed in positive actually. We went to low of almost 33,516. Okay, we made small bit of this thing only, and then come to the next day. Otherwise, it is positive, and then we closed in the intraday success was there 34,085. Almost we went a gap up actually, gap of 200 points almost. Then we got the view done, the intraday success. Next day, if you go there, so somebody is asking for view for today and Monday. I will show you once again. So positive was the view, and today is the what is the view on 6th July. Next day, you can click any day. You can click previous month, next month, previous day, previous month. You can go there any particular day and see also. So when I click today, I will get able to see 5th August. The view what you are getting here is positive, and this is a we close in positive. Next day, if you see, it is positive. So definitely, if there is a gap up, then our view is achieved for the day, and the opening price will be the stop loss for your any positions on the positive side, long calls or short puts, whatever. Once you go below the opening price, then we have to cut our positions. Okay, because it is not able to sustain. If it is again going above the opening price, then we can go forward. Most of the times, the chance of going up and above, below whipsaw and above the opening price, closing price, very less actually. If we break the opening price, then it is gone. Okay, so we have to wait for the opening price or stop loss for any position. For if it is negative means, then you have to keep opening price as stop loss. For positive also, opening price is the stop loss. So any day you want to tell, we'll try to do the back testing of this. And maybe like okay, if one this one the course is currently going on here, almost 12 to 13 sessions will be there. And then now in case somebody wanted to go for this course, and then you can get the recording for all the webinars. Currently the course is going on, you'll get the recording of the course, what is going, already it is gone. And by the time when you see the video, already the course is completed means, then you can get the recording of the course. And then you can buy this dashboard here. The cost will be only 7,500 and is valid for only few days. So if you want to buy this, definitely dashboard is available. You can buy this. It is a very rare. I don't know like how long you will be able to keep this price here. After the demand comes, then the price might increase. So the price is only 7,500. I'm keeping this for including the course. You will learn the course, what is there, and then also the dashboard you are getting here. And the data is all data is updated till December 2023. So till December 2023 is available here. And any view for any future day also you can get here. Maybe like for example 10th October 2022. October 2022 you tell here, you'll get the view. Okay, and all the information is coming just less than 1 second. If you do manually, it may take several hours. 3 hours is not less than that. 2.5 to 3 hours is what it will take for you actually. So definitely it is a great thing for you to get hold of. So if you are a trader in Nifty, Banknifty, to get the view for the next few days, what is the view, and definitely which side you have to be in the market is you will come to know. So keep just have a look of this. What is that I told you, and take benefit of this. So in case you wanted to do buy this dashboard, whatever, you can contact me at this number 86101-43936 WhatsApp number. So keep in touch. Anything support, you let me know. Any queries, you can let me know also. And those who are taking the recording, I will try to keep query sessions, query clearing sessions every month on the first week of the month actually. So anybody who bought the financial strategy course, any doubts on this can join that course the session, and I will be posting on the webinar link actually. Whoever is joining there and who want to have some doubts, they can come online. I will clear the doubts also. Thank you so much. Holding dashboard will last. Yes, it is a file I'm giving to you forever actually. You can keep for you, and then the data also. For example, the data how to update also I will give in the webinar. So you'll be able to keep on updating. You can update till 2030 also. Automatically the rules will come. If you see here, 29th December 2023 is the last day I have this year. 29th December 23. So this one is becoming positive, correct? If you go next day, because the date is not available, because everything will not be coming here. So once I put the day here, the data update here, automatically the calculation will happen. The rules are going to apply for any number of years what you want, 25 years, 100 years also, the rules are going to be same. Okay, because when you tested for 2.5 years and the same result I'm able to get for almost for the entire 10 years means that's a big thing actually. It is not like a certain, that should proves that the planets are working the same method for several years actually. So it's purely for intraday basis, but all this putting the intraday, and then you try to put into the culmination of this into several days, then you know what is the view actually. If you see here also like the July, the view was positive here, expected was positive. You can see for the past July, when it's showing positive, but originally I couldn't believe that this kind of positiveness could be there. So much of positive was there, only 2 negative was there. So what happens that you have to be on the which side you will come to in advance. Okay, so there is a macro also developed here. If you want to do the back testing, you want to do for the view for the next few days, you can run the macro, and then in the course you'll be learning about how to do everything also. And then somebody is asking, can we have a weekly demo to check? So you can ask for any days, whatever in the past. Okay, in the past, whatever is there, you can test. That because what happens here, people come here and ask that they don't know what. You can keep in touch with me in the WhatsApp. I'll give you that whatever details you wanted. And anybody can contact me, and then whoever want to buy this, definitely it's a very good price I'm giving. After that, I'm not sure how long the price will be. The price is only 7,500 for a few days. If it goes up, I will not be able to give you at a very good price. You will get the recording of the course plus also the dashboard. How long the dashboard will last? Any questions are there? You can ask, and then I will come to let you know. So for next week, maybe like for the benefit of people who are seeing the video, I'll give the view for next day, next week also. So today is positive, we close in positive. Next day, for Monday it is positive, and then next day, Tuesday is positive, and Wednesday positive again, Thursday positive, Friday positive. So all the 5 days are positive, meaning then there is no expect major correction in the market for that day. Since we are saying that any major failures happens only 10% of time. So if any correction also comes here, maybe only one day we can get some correction. Major 4 days is going to be an up move only. So you have to be on the long side. This is the way how you understand the market. Now if you're shorting calls or buying puts, then you should completely avoid, because definitely as we saw, if there is any gap up, definitely the positive means then the next day, the day what will be gap up will be there, or if there is gap down, then we can see the market bouncing back on the upside. So definitely for the next week till 12th August, we should be on the long side. We should not be bearish. That's the view. So this is the way how you okay, anybody who want to be contact me, please WhatsApp here. I'll try to reply you, or we can talk also. That's not issue. So this is the way you take the view and trade the market. Positive means the closing is what is considered. Sometimes we get the intraday also. The like today what we saw the gap up. So if you're getting gap up, then you can see this is what happened today. If you see previous close, that is a 756. We saw a gap up here, that is on 868, and then we went all the way to 38,150. Almost 300 points move we saw here. So whenever you are seeing a gap positive means then at the money, for example, closes 37,921 today. So you're buying 37,900 call here, and you carry forward for tomorrow. And then most of times, see, because it's not expiring, and we have Tuesday only holiday. So Monday and Monday, whatever is there, definitely if there is a gap up or gap down also, you should not bother much, because the premium will not going to melt much. Another way how you can do is you can buy 37,900 call and then sell 38,500 call, 38,400 call. Some out of the money call options you can sell and restrict your losses. So if there is market gap down also, your risk is very less actually. Instead of going for naked call option buying, you can do that also to get the benefit of this Astro view. So again, I'll tell you, people are asking for the mobile number. This is a mobile number, WhatsApp number or mobile number both, but please don't call me, just send WhatsApp. Depending on the availability, I'll reply and then we can connect. Hope you enjoyed this video and had some interesting view on this financial dashboard, and I want many people to take advantage of this, and definitely it's going to be helpful for you, because what happens tomorrow, what will happen in another market will be gap down or gap up. Okay, so I want to see, like for example, you can see there is a down. Monday it is down here. Many people thinking like, okay, there is a down here, what will happen to the market? You should be worried. So if there is a gap down, the view is positive, then definitely there will be no big major fall. Okay, then market will recover also. So whenever you see something like this, you should not bother too much. So this will give you a peaceful night or peaceful sleep. When if you see the day's view is positive, only 10% of time maximum. If you see here in this case, random 100 days, only 2% was major fail. Okay, so major fail is less chance, 10% only. So definitely you can get benefit of this dashboard. So thank you so much. Any doubts, please keep in touch with me in WhatsApp. Thank you.